Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, where do you sit everywhere?
I sit in my room only.
But the same place.
We have the same place, same room. Uh,
Good
so,
morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Before that, from fifth A. Wait a second. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so from fifth A, how many have joined till now? Please tell me with your name. Fifth A. Fifth A, only fifth A will type their name, those who have
Good
joined.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Praharshita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Fifth A, please type your name in the chat box so that I can know who is attending today.
Ma'am. Ma'am, fourth be also. Fifth be also.
Fifth A only today. Fifth A first, then fifth B. I am starting from fifth A. Fifth A, just write your name in the chat box. I will start with fifth A, then fifth B. Okay, and please mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
So fifth,
Okay, ma'am.
from fifth A, Vishishta, Praharshita, Tejas. Next, who else? Fifth A. Only 3 from fifth A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fifth B. Please type your name in the chat box. Those who are present today.
Okay, ma'am.
Yuva, Sanvi, Roshni, DP. Write your name. Kirtana.
Present, ma'am.
DP is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Brunda is present. Brunda. Trinesh, Jazel. Jazel, Trinesh. Type your name, Nitish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. Sujita has joined.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Tarun
ma'am.
Nayak. Tarun Nayak.
Dinesh.
Trinesh over.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Daksh. Daksh has also joined. Daksh.
मैम आपका वॉइस नहीं सुन रहा.
Am I audible now? Am I audible now? Okay.
आपको वॉइस नहीं आ रहा मैम.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
From fifth B, I am listen. Okay, on my 3 count, mute yourself. On my 3 count, please mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So I am taking the names from fifth B. Those who have written their names. Okay.
Ma'am, DP Charan.
Wait, I will tell you. Okay. So those who are left, they will tell me. Those who are left. Jazel is present. Kirtana. Jazel. Kirtana. Roshni.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi.
Okay, ma'am.
Vindhya. Banu.
Yes, ma'am.
Banu. Banu is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Banu. He is joined now. DP, Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
DP,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Daksh.
Nayak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Daksh. Nitish,
Ma'am, to which section?
Good morning, ma'am.
Nitish, after Nitish, Trinesh, Trinesh,
Present, ma'am.
Nayak,
Present.
Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Yuva, Tarun, Yuva, Tarun, Yuva, Tarun. So rest those who are left from fifth, kindly mute yourself first before starting the class. Daily I will take the attendance, so please mute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just mute yourself, else I'll mute you. Listen, from 5th A, kindly write your names, those who have joined now. Fiona, I have entered here. Praharshita, Sujita, Fiona, Vishishta, Tejas. I have marked these attendance. Rest, please write your name.
Ma'am, I am also Ma'am Shant.
Ishant is present. Okay. Next, please write your name,
Yes,
Rushda.
ma'am.
Rushda. Okay. Rushda is present. Next, please say 5th A. Tell your name. Write your name in the chat box. I have got 20 names with me and 29 are here. So kindly give your Jayendra. Okay. I think Raghavendra has joined now. So I have just got 20 names and 9 are left. Write your name here. Akshara. Akshara, Jayendra, Ishan, done, Rohita. Rohita. Yes. Akshara, I have marked.
voice listen is now, ma'am.
Please check your connectivity that side. I can hear you. I can hear you properly. Please check your connection that side. Please check your connection that side.
Nayak face.
So after one,
దగ్గర పెట్టుకోకరా
15,
రేపు కూడా జాయిన్ అవుతున్నా
25 students have given me the names. 28 are present here. Kindly tell your name, those who are left.
तू सुनाई भी नहीं रहा
Nish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please, as you join, please mute yourself. As you join, mute yourself.
ఏంట్రా మందు
DP, mute yourself. DP,
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
mute yourself. Just mute yourself.
ఏంట్రా
Wait, I will be starting in 1 to 2 minutes because children are joining right now. So if I will start teaching, they will not be able to join. Okay, tell me who is. Please mute yourself first. I will not repeat this again. Mute yourself.
నాయక్ ఇందాక నిజంగా
Who is Anuradha Srinathan? Who is Anuradha here? Anuradha Srinathan.
నవనీత్ అండ్ విష్ణ
Navneet and Vibha. Anuradha Srinathan. Okay. Please mute yourself. Vishnu. Mute your. Am I audible now?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Okay. So who is Anuradha Srinathan?
Navneet, ma'am.
Navneet and Vibha. Okay. Who is B Jayanti who joined now? B Shrinika?
మ్యామ్ మీ మ్యామ్
B Shrinika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is Bannapuram Ganesh? I think it is Raghavendra.
Raghu, ma'am.
Raghavendra, right? Next, Bashir Bagh Vijaya. Who is Bashir Bagh Vijaya? Tell me your name.
Ma'am. Ayendra.
Bashir. Who is Dinakar? Dinkar.
Ma'am, I am Ishant, ma'am.
Ishant. Okay, I have marked there. Okay. Next is DP. I have
Yeah,
marked.
ma'am.
G Rani is I think Siddharth. Okay.
Ayendra. Nora. Yes, ma'am.
Geeta Singh. Geeta Singh is Ruchika.
Yes, ma'am. Nora. Ma'am, press warrant.
Jaykant Tiwari. This is Yuva. Okay. Jai Babu Sai. Who is Jai Babu Sai? Is it Jayendra?
Ma'am, I Shanmukh Sai.
Shanmukh Sai. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's start. I have taken the attendance. I will give you the names in the WhatsApp group. Those who are left, those whose names will not be there, they can
Ma'am, 40 है ma'am.
37.
40 है.
Ma'am, I am. There are
Fifth A and fifth B. Fifth A and B, listen. I will write the names of present students. I will write the names of present students in the WhatsApp group. Those who will be left, they can send me personally message that they were present. Okay? Now let's start. Now let's start with our class. Okay? Okay. Last time we did which part? Do you remember? Last EVS class? Digesting, yes. We covered tasting part and digesting part. Now some little part is left in our chapter. So I would be showing you the presentation, okay? Chapter PDF. Now listen my instructions. On my 5 count, you have to mute yourself. 5. Kindly listen, mute yourself. Okay, mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just mute yourself. Mute yourself, DP. Siddharth, mute yourself. And now I am going to show you the presentation. You have to see that. And when I will ask question, Yuva is saying he can't hear me. Yuva, am I audible now? Okay, just say with your actions. Am I audible now? Show your thumb. Okay. So just mute yourself. I will show you the PPT. Then we will have discussion. When I will ask questions, then only you will unmute yourself. Other than that, you will not unmute. You have to keep yourself mute. When I will ask questions, then only you will answer. Okay? Before that, you will just see the presentation. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So mute yourself.
Jendra, etlunora?
Ishant, no talking. Some are joining now. Let's wait. Don't present.
Ma'am, Reshma is present.
Don't present. Don't present. 40 have joined. Okay. Now let's start. We will not be wasting. I am presenting my presentation. Just mute yourself and say with your actions if it is visible or not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just say like this. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
So now this is visible
Okay,
now?
ma'am.
Okay. So we have covered
Yes, ma'am.
till here. I explained you this part, digestion part and this hunger part. Okay. Next we will move to this. Now this is, I think this is visible now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now
Okay, ma'am.
this is visible now.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
pink color is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I will read this.
Yes,
There is
ma'am.
one story of a girl. Now kindly mute yourself. There is one story of a girl named Neetu. Can you see the girl Neetu here? I have circled it here. She is Neetu. Neetu was given a glucose drip.
Yes, ma'am.
Glucose drip. What is glucose drip now?
Ma'am, your presentation is not
Yes,
visible.
ma'am.
Wait, let me see. Somebody has joined, right?
Visible.
Now is it visible? Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Neetu was given a glucose drip. What is a glucose drip? And I will tell you later what is the difference between glucose. Have you seen glucose?
Yes, ma'am.
Glucose
ma'am.
and what is the difference between, wait, somebody has joined right now.
Medicines, ma'am. Medicines.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Glucose and glucose drip. There is a difference between glucose and glucose drip. Kindly don't talk. Please mute yourself. Good morning. Mute yourself, please.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So I will be reading this story. I am showing you what is glucose drip here. Okay. Wait. I think somebody is asking for joining. Okay. So this is the part. Can you see this part long? This packet and this a long tube which is in the hand of Neetu.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Patient, ma'am.
Neetu is a patient in a hospital and this is a nurse. And see, this part is glucose drip. This is a glucose drip. In this, glucose comes from one bottle part. Can you see this bottle? This,
Yes, ma'am.
and it comes from a tube directly to our body. Okay, it comes. It get.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
It get. Please mute yourself. Then only I will be audible. Mute yourself. Okay. Now I am reading this story for. Please mute yourself. I have to say this so many times. Mute yourself. Voice is coming from back. Mute yourself. Neetu was very sick. All day she was vomiting and she also had loose motions. So what was the problem with Neetu? She was vomiting all day and she was suffering from loose motions. Okay. Whatever she ate, she vomited. Now she was not able to eat. Not able to eat solid food. Okay. Solid food she was not able to take, like chapati, rice, whatever. She was not able to eat this. Okay. Her father gave her sugar and salt solution. By evening, Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. Now, when you suffer from vomiting and loose motions, you would have felt that you feel very weak and dizzy. You don't like anything to eat. Okay, nothing goes inside our body. You feel weak and very dizzy. Same was the case with Neetu. When she got up to the doctor, she fainted. What do you mean by fainted? Fainted means chakkar aake gir jana. Okay. She fell down. Okay. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Neetu should get admitted in the hospital. Now she got admitted in the hospital, as you can see here. Okay. She needs to be given a glucose drip. Now I have what is glucose drip? Here in the picture you can see this is glucose drip. What is inside the drip? In this glucose drip, glucose in the form of liquid is stored in the bottle and it comes directly to your blood. The glucose mixes directly to the blood. Hearing this, Neetu got confused. Now, what was the confusion with Neetu? She knew that during games period in school, you also have games period in school. Okay, same way,
Yes, ma'am.
same way in same way. Oh, stop saying yes. Same way,
Yes, ma'am.
Neetu,
Your voice is not clear.
please mute yourself. Then only I'll be audible. She knew that during games period in the school, the teacher sometimes gave them glucose to drink. Now, what did the games teacher give glucose to drink? But what was a glucose drip? Now she was confused that what was glucose drip. There are two things. One is glucose, okay, and second is drip. Glucose drip. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between glucose and a glucose drip?
Ma'am, glucose will go on.
Okay,
Ma'am, I want to tell.
one at a time. Okay, one at a time. Who will? Fifth A, Ishant. Only Ishant will unmute. Fifth A, Ishant. Ishant is present here. Who is saying this, Vishnu? Please mute yourself. Ishant is present now. Ishant. Fifth A, Ishant. Is he present? Okay. Can you listen me? Fifth A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Ma'am, I will tell.
fifth B. Dinesh. Can you tell the difference between glucose and glucose drip?
Ma'am, glucose will go.
Kindly mute yourself. Voice is coming from back. Okay, now tell Dinesh, answer. Can you tell difference glucose and glucose drip?
Ma'am, glucose will go into body, ma'am.
Okay.
Glucose drip is that we drink.
No, okay, good attempt. Okay, I'll tell you. Glucose, have you seen the glucose bottles at your home? That you get many flavors in that Glucon-D. Have you seen in the market Glucon-D?
Yes, ma'am.
You get simple flavor, you get orange flavor, you get lemon flavor. Okay, these are some glucose we get. But how is that glucose? It is in powder form. Have you seen that powder form?
Yes, ma'am.
You mix you mix that in water.
Yes, ma'am.
You mix that powder in water and then you drink it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now when you take that,
not clear.
please check your network connection that side because I can hear you properly. Your network connection is not proper there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. As I told you, glucose is in powder form. When you mix it with water, you drink it. And what happens?
Yes, ma'am.
It goes to the stomach and then it get digested. We have learned the word digested in last session. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it get digested and get mixed with the blood. So it takes time to give you energy. Glucose gives us, and please mute
And
yourself.
we will don't get wanted.
Glucose takes more time to give you energy, but in case of glucose drip, here you can see the drip. It is already mixed in a liquid form. Okay, it is not in a powder form.
Yes, ma'am.
It is in a liquid form and it directly goes to the blood and it gives you instant energy. Okay, the difference between glucose and a glucose drip is glucose gives you energy after taking some time. Okay, but glucose drip give you instant energy. Okay, now next. Doctor Auntie explained your stomach is upset. Now she said your stomach is upset. Your body is not keeping any food and water. It has become very weak. Now the body is not able to store the food and water. The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly even without eating. Now what I told you, glucose drip gives us energy instantly. Without eating you can get Without eating, you can get the energy very fast. Okay. So now questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you remember that in class 4th you made a solution of sugar and salt? Please
Yes,
mute
ma'am.
yourself. Your voice is coming a loud voice. Please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Neetu's father also made this and gave her. Why do you think this is given to someone who has vomiting and loose motion? Now tell me, who has vomiting and loose motions, why do we give them salt and sugar solution? What happens?
Ma'am, to hydrate themselves.
Yes, very good, very good. To hydrate, to give them energy to hydrate. This is a very good answer, to hydrate yourself. When you suffer from vomiting and loose motions, okay, so there is a loss of water, sugar and salt from your body. Water, sugar and salt are, they decreases. What happens? They decrease. Amount of, please mute yourself. I have to say so many times. Mute yourself. Everyone is keeping on their mic. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
If you will say this again and again, we will not be able to complete our chapter. Please mute yourself and listen. Okay, you can go through the recorded video again. You will get every answer. But till then, please mute yourself. Please don't talk. Otherwise, I have to mute you. You are not muting, then I have to mute you. This is very difficult for me. Every time I say this, mute yourself, mute yourself. So next, when you suffer from vomiting and loose motions, water, sugar and salt decreases in the body, and to cover it up, to renew that, we take sugar. Now also you are talking. 5th A and B. This is very bad. Mute yourself. Sugar and salt solution is given to renew the loss of water, sugar and salt. Okay? Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard the word glucose or seen it anywhere? So everyone has seen glucose. You would have during this COVID-19. During the COVID-19, you are using this glucose, I guess, at home for your immunity. COVID-19, what is COVID-19? Coronavirus. You are
Coronavirus.
Yes, during coronavirus, this glucose is very important because it gives you energy plus. Please mute yourself. This is the last warning. Otherwise, I will not admit anyone next time. Mute yourself. 3, 2, 1. Just mute yourself. Please don't say this voice is breaking because I can hear you very clearly. You can go through the video again if you want. But let me complete myself. Okay, now, am I clear with this part? Okay, now let's move forward. Let's move forward. Have you ever tasted glucose? How does it taste? Glucose is sweet in taste. Okay?
Ma'am, sweet.
Yes, sweet and tasty. Have you or anyone in your, please, okay, stop. Don't answer one by one. Have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Tell the class. Glucose drip this is actually given to grandparents or who are very old age people. Glucose drip are given to patients which are present in
Parents.
Okay, grandparents are very old. Okay, so those who get admitted in hospitals, they are given this glucose drip. Okay, now what is the why they are yes, very good, because glucose drip gives you instant energy. That's why they are given to grandparents and very old people because they are not able to eat. Okay. Neetu's teacher used to tell girls to have glucose while playing hockey. What do you think she did this? Why it is necessary to take glucose while playing? Okay, because please mute yourself. How many times I have to say this? I am not able to explain. I am muting you. Don't unmute yourself. So many times I have to say this, and I'm very mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. This is my last and final warning. Don't unmute. When I am explaining, it is very difficult for me. Your voice is coming from back. Nitish, DP, mute yourself. Nitish and DP, mute yourself. It makes me very difficult to explain the part. Kindly listen. At the last 5 minutes, I will ask the questions what I have taught you. So be ready with your answers. For that, you will not answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Next, why do we take glucose while playing? Because while playing,
Somebody is presenting.
who is presenting now?
Ma'am, someone is presenting, ma'am.
This is the problem.
Ma'am, somebody.
This is the problem with you every. This is the problem with you every time. This is the problem with you 5th A and B every time. You start presenting. What do you want to present? Tell me. You start presenting yourself. It makes me difficult to explain every part. This chapter would have completed till now, but you don't keep quiet now. This is.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Please, you can see the recorded video after this. Don't say this again. It is breaking. Check your network that side because I can hear you properly. Okay? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am presenting.
No,
I am present. Wait. Stop. Wait now. Wait for 2 minutes now. You yourself waste your time. Okay. So now is it visible? When I explain you.
Oh, ma'am.
When I explain you, please don't present. In every class, I give this instruction every time. Don't present, don't talk, don't switch on your mics. But you don't listen. Stop. Can you see my screen here? Now type and say.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, I am presenting again. Please now don't present.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you see now my screen?
Time is over.
Please.
Time is over.
No, time is not over. We are still having a.
Okay, ma'am.
Now is it okay? Now is it visible? 5th A and B. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you see this
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Okay. Now on my 5 count, please mute yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kindly mute yourself. Otherwise, I will mute you. I think you can't listen to the instructions. 5th A and B, you are very difficult for me to. Can you see my screen now? Okay. Now if you want, now listen to me carefully, 5th A and B. If you want to keep on your mic, you will not speak anything. No voice should come out from the back. Okay? Nobody will talk. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I have lot of pages to cover. Don't present now in between, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Neetu used to tell the girls to have glucose while Again, lot of noise. That's why I tell you to mute yourself. Neetu's teacher used to tell girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Why do you think?
Ma'am, we can't listen you, ma'am.
Because you are not muting yourself. That's why you can't listen me. Others' voice are mixing with my voice. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. How many times I will give you this instruction, I don't know. And when you will understand, I don't know this. Okay. During my explanation part, please don't unmute. I will tell you to unmute yourself. When I will explain, just listen. After explanation, I will ask questions that only you will answer. Okay? Neetu's teacher tells girls to have glucose while playing hockey. What do you think she did this? Why do you think the teacher gave glucose to Neetu while playing hockey? Because when you
energy, ma'am.
when you play, very good, when you play sports or games, when you take part in games, your water, sugar and salt get decreases. As I told you before, water, sugar and salt, they get decreased, and to replenish that loss, to renew that in your body, you are given glucose in the form of liquid, so that there is no loss of water. Look at the Neetu's picture and describe what is happening. How is glucose drip being given? You have seen the Neetu's picture. Glucose drip is tied with her hand, and directly the glucose is going to a mixing with the blood, and it gives instant energy. Glucose drip gives instant energy. Okay.
Energy.
Now there is a poem about a soldier whose name was Martin. Martin was a soldier. Okay. Soldier who are they which fight for the country. Okay. Now there is a poem. What happened with Martin? Let's see. Here's an old story. It seems so funny. There was a window in Martin's tummy. Now what happened to Martin? Martin got a hole in his stomach. So tummy means stomach. He got a hole in his tummy. Actually by mistake Martin,
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
please don't say this again. Check your network. I'm saying you so many times. Please go through the video after this class. Actually my by mistake Martin was shot right in the stomach. Now Martin was a soldier. He got shot in the stomach. Where he was shot in the stomach. It bled a lot. The wound slowly held and was covered by skin, but the hole was still there. You could peep right in. Now there was a hole in the stomach in which you could peep. Peep, what do you mean by peep? You could see. You could see inside what was inside his stomach. Oh, what a chance for doctors to study what happens to the food inside the body. The story seems odd, but it is really true. The secret of Martin's stomach helped us all, me and you. Now, earlier the doctors didn't knew. Earlier the doctors didn't knew what was inside our stomach. How does the food get digested? What? Sorry? Let me complete this, then we will take in another section I will take this. Please let me complete this part. Story, a stomach with a window. Now Martin was a soldier. He got shot in the, you can see here, this is Martin and this is the doctor. Earlier the doctors didn't knew what was inside our stomach. They didn't knew that what was inside our stomach. So when Martin was shot in the stomach, this is Martin's stomach. Okay. So there was a chance for doctors to find out what is inside it and how does the food get digested. How does the food get digested in our stomach? They could study this. They have done researches and study. Okay. Now, in the poem you have read about soldier Martin. In 1822, he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he got a serious hurt.
Ma'am,
At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. What was the name of the doctor? It was Dr. Beaumont. Okay. Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. Now, what did doctor did? He cleaned the wound and put the dressing. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin Wood had healed except for one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. So, what was the problem? He had a hole in his stomach. Hole was covered with a loose flap of skin. The hole was, see, can you see the part? This is skin part. Can you see this? This was a flap of a skin, like the washer in a football. Okay. Press the skin and you could peep into Martin's stomach. Now what did doctor see? Doctor could see inside the stomach what was there inside his stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. So what did the doctor do? He took out the food from the stomach. Okay. Where I have told you in digestion, the food after food pipe, food enters into the stomach. So what did doctor do? Doctor took out the food from the stomach. Dr. Beaumont felt he had found a treasure. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing experiment on his stomach? 9 years. During this time, grew up and got married. 9 years, he took time, 9 years, and he did experiment on stomach. Or what was inside the stomach. So 9 years he took to the experiment. At that time, scientists didn't know how food was digested. So they were unknown from this process. How does the liquid digestive juices in the stomach help? Now I told you last video, in stomach we have various juices. These,
somebody is singing song, ma'am.
please mute yourself. That's why I tell you to mute. Next time if you will enter the class, I'll mute you from the starting. How does liquid in the stomach help? Liquid in the stomach, can you see there are liquid in our stomach which are called digestive juices. Okay. Does it help only making food wet or soft, or does it also help in digestion? Please, who is singing the song? Please. Who is singing the song? If you want to sing the song, please don't attend the class. You can sing song in music class. Mute yourself. Just mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. I don't know how many times I'll say this. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Let me do this first, because you waste my time like this, muting yourself, muting. I have to mute you. Now nobody will unmute, please. No, but who is this? Every time I have to say this, and this is very bad because you don't listen to the teachers. Mute yourself. So now nobody will unmute. Okay. So next, let's come to the next part. Dr. Beaumont took some liquid out of the stomach. He wanted to see what happens to food when. Now again, who is doing this? Who has unmuted?
Various type of sound is coming.
Who has seen again? Manu Kumar.
Only, ma'am.
I have muted him and again you have unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself. So Dr. Beaumont took some liquid juices out of the stomach and he put this in a glass filled with juices. Okay, he put this liquid in another glass. Okay, would it be digested on its own? For this he did an experiment. Now what did he do? He took out the juices from the stomach, digestive juices from the stomach, and he put that in another glass. Okay. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juices from the stomach. At 8:30 a.m., he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of juice. Now, what did he put? He put boiled fish, 20 tiny pieces, 20 pieces of fish. He put it in the glass. He kept the glass's temperature at of our stomach about 30 degrees Celsius. Now, temperature of our stomach is 30 degree Celsius. So when he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of fish has dissolved. Now, what did he saw? Now, what was his observations? After putting fish in the juice and at 30-degree temperature, he has done something, he has recorded. Okay. Now see this. This was his observation. Can you see this table? This was his observation. He saw that unboiled milk in the stomach takes 2 hours 15 minutes to digest, but in a glass it takes 4 hours. That means the time is double. When you digest the food in stomach the food get digested very fast, and outside the stomach it takes more time. So in stomach digestion is fast, but in glass the digestion is slow. It takes double time. The boiled milk take 2 hours for digestion in stomach, but in glass it takes 4 hours. Full boiled egg takes 3 hours 30 minutes in stomach. Okay, but in glass it takes 8 hours. So the time is almost double. So where do you get digestion fast? Digestion takes place fast in stomach, okay, rather than in a outside glass. So what does stomach do? Now why does this happen? What is inside our stomach that makes fast digestion? There are juices that are called digestive juices which help in digestion. These juices are acidic in nature. What is acidic? I'll tell you. Have you heard the word acidity? When you eat something, you would have seen the ad of Eno on TV. Eno pouches. It works in 6 seconds. Okay. When anyone eats something very bad, or when you eat junk food, or you eat a very old food, okay, then you see that you get a burning sensation in your stomach. That is acidity. What is acidity? When your stomach gives a burning sensation. After eating some bad food, you get burning sensation in your stomach. That is called acidity. Okay. So the digestive juices which help in digestion are acidic in nature. Okay. Dr. Beaumont did many experiments and found out many secrets about digestion. He found that food digests faster in stomach than outside. So digestion is faster in stomach.
Mom, class is over.
Okay, so I have done till here. After this, I will take in another session. Okay? Your homework is to.
Bye.
Okay, you can remove yourself. Homework will be given. Listen. Homework will be given.
Bye, Mom.
You can remove. Okay, you can. Homework will be given in WhatsApp. Homework will be given in WhatsApp group. Okay. Fifth A and B. I will write the names of present students. Okay. So those who did, I will write in WhatsApp group. Those who didn't get the attendance, please give your names. Okay.
What is homework?
What is homework, ma'am?
Homework will be given in WhatsApp group. Okay. I'll give you that in WhatsApp group. So kindly remove yourself.
దీపి ఫోన్ చేయరా నాకు
Please remove yourself.
దీపి ఫోన్ చేయి ఫోన్ చేయరా
Stop talking and remove yourself.
ఫోన్ చేయి
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kindly leave the class.
అదే గ్రూప్ లోనే పేరు రాయరా నంబర్ దీపి నంబర్
Remove. Those who want the number, please don't talk in this class. Remove yourself and talk. Remove yourself. Okay. Tomorrow, be ready for fun day.
అంబిక అంబిక
Ambika, remove yourself.